some different yarns this time, and I'm super excited about it. I've been waiting for a little while. I think I got it on like the Black Friday, you know, sale or whatever, but lovecrafts.com is where I get all of my paint box yarn. This whole yarn wall is pretty much made up by Love Crafts. I do have an affiliate link if you're interested. No pressure, obviously, but I thought it'd be fun if we could unbox some of my stuff. Some of the stuff that I wanted to get. And I've got some new stuff. Usually I stick to size 4 yarn, but, you know, I'm mixing it up a little bit. We've got some other kinds of yarn in here. No spoilers. I mean, don't get mad at me. These are just my scrap scissors. They used to be sharp. Now they're probably not because I've opened tape with them, so don't get mad at me. They're already garbage. So what's super exciting, I've been waiting for Paintbox to release more colors, and it finally happened, and I'm so stoked on it. I don't have any room on the shelf, but that's fine. We'll find room. This is what we got. Listen, this is the best Christmas present I could ever gift myself. So let's go through some colors together. Say hi. Say hi to YouTube. All right, I think we had some replacement yarns, but it looks like there's some new ones in here. There's definitely some new ones in here. Oh, that's so exciting. What are you doing? What are you doing? But yeah, there's so many colors. There's so many new colors that I'm so excited about. I'm gonna have to find some room on my shelf. And I'm excited to open up some chunky yarn. This is a color that I've been waiting for a while. This one is SA75. That's a different color code. It's like a gray, but like a nice warm neutral gray. I've been waiting for something like this for Paintbox to come out with, but super excited about that one. That one's a new color. You got, I guess, white. White? Wait, is this one the chunky yarn? I think this is the chunky yarn. Wow, that's hardly different. No, that is chunkier though, for sure. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, I've got plans for this. Yeah, the Simply Chunky. And it's very similar, and I actually like, it's very similar, but it almost like sticks together a little bit better. This might be exciting to work with. I usually only work with size 4 yarn, but I'm pretty excited. I have a specific thing that I want to make with this one. This one looks like chunky as well. I don't know why I got blue though. I think I just have a problem. So we got some chunky blue. I think this is Kingfisher, but the number is 339. I think the Aran, aka the size 4 yarn, they go in the 200s, but I think maybe the chunky, their colors run in the 300s. So that's interesting. That's super helpful actually. This one, I don't think this one's a new color. I don't think so. Maybe it is. Wash Teal. I think I just ran out of this one. This one is Wash Teal. It's very similar. There it is. I already have 2 of them, but I think I was running out. It's very similar to Style Crafts though. Very similar. This one is a new color. It's like a sage green. This one's SA67. So beautiful. Love this color. Very excited for this one. Adding that one to the collection. It's like a nice dusty off green. Not off green. Not really an off green, is it? But it's like a dusty kind of green. I think it definitely is a welcomed addition. This one's also new. This one is SA69. Nice. It's like a mauve. This one's called Vintage Heather. Love it. It's like a mauve color. Mauve? Mauve? And then we also have SA68. SA68. This one is called Deep Sea Blue. Looks super nice. It's kind of like a dustier blue. I like it a lot. It's really nice. I think I've got a couple of duplicates, but this one's a new color too. Getting into the second bag. This one I was so excited about. I think this one's called Gold. It's SA66, but it's beautiful. I've been waiting for them to come out with something like this because I've been using Stylecraft. for like this kind of color, but really excited about this one. This one's gonna be great to use. So I got another one of that. Another one of, oh wait, no, this one's new. SA70. I think this one's Macaron Green. Almost like a baby green color. Or baby blue. It's like a, it's so interesting. Like I'll show you it next to the wash teal. And you can see it's almost got like some neon to it. It's so cool. I really like it. Really like that one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I really like it. And then I think this one's an extra new color too. SA72. This one is called Jewel. It's like a blue-green. It's really nice. I have another one of those mauves. That one's that vintage heather, I'm pretty sure it was called. I'm not used to all these names anymore. I used to have the old ones memorized. And these are all acrylic yarns. I pretty much only use acrylic yarns for all of my amigurumi because of the color variation. I'm not super thrilled because there's like only one orange still. I was really hoping they would add more orange. But you know, the gold, I guess that's a little bit more orangey. And so I got another one of that jewel color. Very pretty. Really like those ones. All right, another one of that sage green color, SA67. Got two of those. And then what's this one? This one's new. I didn't recognize it. SA71, and it is called Navy Night. They do have they have a lot of blues, but this one's like a really, really dark blue. It's almost black, but like has some blue tones to it. This one was that other blue that I opened, and then this one, obviously you can see it's a little bit darker. So nice. Okay, so that is bag number 2. I think bag number 3 might be somewhat duplicates, but we have this purple in here. This one's is this one a new purple too? 247. No, this is a replacement. This is a restock for me. This is pansy purple, just like a very vibrant purple. And then we have this one. This is that kind of baby green color, SA70, Macaron Green. Another one of that dustier blue color, SA68. This is the third one of the jewel color. I don't even know what I got anymore. And then another one of the gold, and another one of that heather, the vintage heather, that mauve color. And then that is the third bag. In bag number 4, I think these are all repeats except for one. This one, I think this one's washed teal again. Perfect. Needed a restock of those. I think I only have like one left, and I'm pretty sure I'm coming up with a pattern to do with that one. So I got another one of the yellows, but this looks like chunky. This one is the chunky yarn. I've got plans with the chunky yarn. I think it's gonna be a good time. This one's new color as well. SA63. Summer Sky Blue. And then we've got 2 more of that gray color, that warm gray. So I think I've got 3 total now. Another one of the deep sea blue. Okay, bag number 4. I feel like I've lost count. All right, bag number 5. Oh, I was going in with the greens, but can we talk about this color palette for a second? Some darker greens, some lighter greens, and then some blues. This is like, I really like this one. All right, let's see what's in here. It looks like we got some chunky yarns. Nope, this one's the size 4 yarn, SA65. I don't know, this one's new. Pear green. Oh, that's perfect. Where's that other green? This is like that sage green that we were talking about. And there's the pear green. There is a similar color, this one. It's called lime green. This one's like not a new color. But this one's like the lime green color. I've been using this green for a lot of things, but this one might fill in that blank. Pear green, that's a nice one. So I got 2 of those, it seems, maybe a third one somewhere in the box, but there's 2 in this bag. And then these ones are both chunky, I'm pretty sure lime greens. I have this in the size 4, so I'm gonna guess they're both the lime green colors, but it's crazy because it's just different enough. Like the size of this yarn is like just a little bit more. It's just like a little bit thicker. The sizing of yarn is so hard to understand, and especially when you're ordering it online. Ooh, it's a gamble, but Really happy with those. And then I have, oh, I think another Summer Sky Blue SA63. And then there's that navy, that new navy color, SA71. Bag 5. We got 2 more bags to go. Oh wow, I really got a lot of these actually. So that's that new Macaron Green color. I'm apparently very excited about this one because I got 4 of them instead of 3. I'm sure I'll find a use for it. And then another one of the Navy Night ones. So I think that makes 4 of that. Another Summer Sky Blue. And then another of that warm gray. And then another one of that pear green color. And then my last small little bag here, we have another one of that sage green color, SA67. Got a bunch of those. And then I've got another, I think this one's a chunky white, which is great. That's for my special project. I'm really excited to use these chunky yarns though. I really hope it turns out well. But the problem is that if I really like this chunky yarn, all of this yarn is like size 4 or Aran. Like, I'm gonna have a problem because I'm gonna want to switch to all this chunky yarn. I'm gonna have to invest in more yarn. How many new ones are there? Wait a second. Oh, there's 2 new colors. Oh, there might be 2 new gray colors, and I don't know if I got them both. Oh, there's jam too. Oh no, I don't think, maybe they released more colors and I didn't get. So, what? Oh, I missed out. They've got more colors than I thought. There's 2 new colors that I didn't even see. There's a total of 13 new colors, 62 shades in total. That's insane. And for me, for making amigurumi, perfect, because you want all of the same brand so it like meshes together well, or 2 similar brands that kind of look the same in terms of texture and size. But this is like, but I think there might be 3. Rosy Pink I missed out on, number 62, Jam, number 73, and I think there's an Elephant Gray, number 61, and I missed out. I don't know when they added them. I was like on top of it. I must have missed it. Well, I have to buy some more yarn. All right, so it looks like I've got 42 new skeins of yarn. Oh, and a cat. 42 new skeins of yarn, which is so exciting. This one actually looks more orange in the dark there, but 42 skeins of yarn. Now I have to figure out how the hell I'm going to fit it in my very packed yarn wall. So that is, oh, I lost one. Those are all the yarns I got. But I'm so excited. This is like a paint box exclusive opening. But I'm so excited about all these new colors. I've been waiting for them to release more colors. I have been on the paint box train for a very long time just because of their colors. Like, there's so many different shades. So I've always loved paint box ever since I found them, just because of all of the colors that they have. Obviously, I want them to come out with more oranges because really there's only like 1. This is a welcomed addition. And hopefully you enjoyed this little unboxing. I know I've been gone for a little while, but I know how much I like opening yarn, so I'm glad you could join me in opening some yarn as well. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.